Hello team, today we are going to look at faucet installation. I'm going to use the one shown in the picture. You can use any one you like. Place the plate right on top of the hole, no need to screw this in. Place the faucet right on top of the plate and the hot and the cold water pipe goes in the hole. Then make sure the pipes go through the assembly unit as shown in the picture with the O-ring, which is the rubber O-ring, on the top. Please make sure you tighten this assembly unit with the screws because the faucet is going to sit on the top. Just screw the faucet right on top of the assembly unit and you're almost done. Finally, you're attaching the hot water pipe to the hot outlet and the cold water pipe to the cold outlet. And hallelujah, here you can see guys, we have completed the final faucet installation. It's very easy, you can do it. Don't waste money by giving this simple job to the contractors.